Finding your seat on the plane.
Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Oh, really? Let me check my ticket.
No problem. My ticket says seat 12A.
Mine says 12B. I think I made a mistake.
It is easy to mix them up. The letters are very small.
Yes, and everyone is getting on the plane so quickly.
Seat 12B in the middle. 12A is next to the window.
Oh, then I am in your seat. I am sorry.
That's okay. We still have time before the plane leaves.
Thank you. I'll let you go first.
Great. Now we are both the right seats.
Is your flight long today?
Not too long. It is only 2 hours.
Nice.
Is it your first time on this flight?
Yes. I was nervous during boarding, so I sat down too fast.
I understand. Airports and planes can feel confusing.
They can. But now I feel better.
Do you want me to check the arrival time with you?
That would be helpful. What time do we land?
We land at 3:20. It says so on the screen.
Great. I will listen for the announcement too.
And I can remind you when we start landing.
Thanks. This flight already feels easier.
Buying a SIM card.
Hi, I need a local SIM card for my phone.
Sure. Do you want a simple prepaid plan?
Yes, please. I only need a little internet and maps.
Then this plan is good for you. It has 10 gigabytes of data.
10 gigabytes sounds enough. How long does it work?
It works for 30 days.
Great. Can I make local calls too?
Yes. Local calls and text messages are included.
Perfect. I don't want anything complicated.
No worries. This is our easiest plan.
Do I need to show my passport?
Yes, please. We need it for registration.
Here it is. Will the SIM card work right away?
Yes. I can activate it for you now.
That is very helpful. I am not good with phone settings.
It is okay. I will put the card in and check the signal.
Thank you. How much is the plan?
It is $19.
That's fine. Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is okay.
Great. I also need to keep my old number on another app.
You can still use your apps with this data.
Good. I need maps because I get lost easily.
Then open the map now and test it.
It works. I can see my hotel.
Wonderful. You are all set.
Thanks. Now I can explore the city without worry.
Enjoy your trip and keep the small SIM card holder.
Good idea. I don't want to lose anything today.
Apartment rent questions.
Hello, I am calling about the small apartment online.
Hi, yes, the apartment is still available.
Great. Can I ask a few simple questions?
Of course. Go ahead.
The rent says $900 a month. Does it include bills?
It includes water and building fees, but not electricity or internet.
Okay, that is clear. Is the apartment furnished?
Partly furnished, it has a bed, a table, 2 chairs, and a small sofa.
That sounds good. I do not have much furniture.
Then it may be a good fit for you.
How long is the lease?
The minimum lease is 1 year.
1 year is fine. Is there a security deposit?
Yes, the deposit is 1 month of rent.
Okay, when can someone move in?
It is free from the first day of next month.
That works for me. Is the neighborhood quiet?
Yes, it is quiet in the evening. There is also a supermarket nearby.
Nice. Is it easy to get to the train station?
Very easy. You can walk there in 10 minutes.
That is important because I don't have a car.
Then you will like this area.
Can I visit the apartment this weekend?
Yes, Saturday afternoon is open.
Perfect. Can you send me the address?
Sure, I will send it after this call.
Thank you. I want to see the kitchen and the windows.
No problem. The kitchen is small, but it is clean and bright.
That sounds promising. I am excited to see it.
Great. See you on Saturday.
Daily routine chat.
Sarah, how is your day going?
Pretty busy, but not bad. What about yours, Jake?
Mine is simple today. I woke up early and made coffee at
That sounds nice. What time do you usually wake up?
around 7. First, I check the weather.
I check my phone first. It is a bad habit.
Same here sometimes. Then I wash my face and get dressed.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Usually, yes, I eat toast, eggs, or yogurt.
I often have coffee and a banana. Nothing big.
After breakfast, I take the bus to work.
How long is your commute?
About 25 minutes if traffic is normal.
That is not too bad.
I listen to Easy English podcasts on the way.
Really? I listen to calm music.
At work, I answer emails first.
I make a short plan for the day. It helps me focus.
Good idea. I sometimes forget small tasks.
I write them down in a notebook.
What time do you have lunch?
Around 12:30, I bring food from home.
I buy a sandwich near the office.
After work, I like to walk for 20 minutes.
That sounds healthy. I usually go home and rest.
Rest is important too.
In the evening, I cook something simple and watch a lesson video.
I read a few pages of a book before bed.
What time do you sleep?
I try to sleep before 11.
I should do that too. Tomorrow I will try.
Small changes are easier than big changes.
True. Maybe tomorrow I will start with a better breakfast.
Good plan. Tell me if it works.
Welcome to my place.
Welcome to my place, Sarah.
Thanks, it feels warm and friendly.
It is not big, but I like it.
The living room is very cozy. I like the small lamp.
Thanks. I put it there because the corner was too dark.
Good idea. And the kitchen is right next to the living room.
Yes, it is an open kitchen. It makes the place feel bigger.
Do you live here alone?
Yes, I moved here 6 months ago.
The location seems useful. I saw a bakery downstairs.
Yes, and there is a market across the street.
Perfect. So, what are we having for dinner?
I planned pasta with vegetables and a simple salad.
That sounds great. Do you need help?
Maybe later. For now, please sit and relax.
Okay. Should I put my coat on this chair?
Yes, that's fine.
Your table is ready already. You're very organized.
Not always. I cleaned quickly before you came.
I do that too. Everyone does.
Would you like water or tea?
Water, please. I'm a little thirsty.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you cook often?
I cook simple meals. Pasta, soup, rice, and eggs.
Simple food can be the best.
I agree. Tonight, I want everything to be easy.
The vegetables look fresh.
I bought them this morning.
Nice. After dinner, maybe we can choose a movie.
Good idea. I have 2 movie options.
Great. Dinner first, movie later.
Exactly. This evening is simple, but it feels special.
Sending a package.
I would like to send this package.
Sure. Where is it going?
It is going to my cousin in another city.
May I see the address?
Yes, I wrote it on this paper.
Thank you. The address is clear.
Good. I was worried about the numbers.
They are fine. What is inside the package?
Scarf, a notebook, and a small photo frame.
Is anything fragile?
The photo frame is a little fragile.
Then we should add extra paper inside.
Good idea. I want it to arrive safely.
Do you want standard or express shipping?
What is the difference?
Standard is cheaper. It takes 3 to 5 business days.
And express?
Express takes 1 or 2 days, but it costs more.
I am not in a hurry. Standard is okay.
Please put the package on the scale.
Sure. Is it too heavy?
No, it is light. The total is $12.
Does that include tracking?
Yes. Tracking is included.
Great. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Do I need to fill out a form?
Just the shipping label. Write your name and phone number here.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, perfect.
When will the package leave?
Later today.
Wonderful. My cousin will be happy.
Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Thanks. You made it very easy.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Gym membership information.
Hi, I am thinking about joining this gym.
Great. Are you looking for a membership?
Yes, but I want to ask some questions first.
Of course. What would you like to know?
What plans do you have?
We have a monthly plan and a yearly plan.
Which one is better for a beginner?
Sarah. The monthly plan is more flexible. You can try it first.
That sounds safer. How much is it?
It is $50 a month.
Does it include all of the machines?
Yes. You can use the machines, the free weights, and the showers.
What about classes?
Some classes are included, like stretching, yoga, and beginner cycling.
Beginner cycling sounds interesting.
It is fun and not too hard.
Is there a sign-up fee?
Yes, a small one-time fee of $20.
Can I cancel if I move away?
Yes. With the monthly plan, you can cancel with 30 days' notice.
Good. I also feel nervous because I don't know how to use the machines.
Many beginners feel that way. We offer a free introduction.
What happens in the introduction?
A trainer shows you basic machines and safe exercises.
That would help a lot.
Would you like a one-day free pass first?
Yes, please. I want to try the gym before I join.
No problem. I can set it up for tomorrow.
Great. I will bring sports shoes and a water bottle.
Perfect. Come anytime after 10.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Starting is the hardest part.
Computer help at work.
Sorry to bother you. Do you have a minute?
Sure. What is the problem?
My computer froze and I don't know what to do.
Did it freeze while you were working?
Yes. I was writing a report and suddenly nothing moved.
Okay. Did you save the report?
I saved it 10 minutes ago, but not after that.
Don't worry yet. The program may recover the file.
I hope so. I feel a little panicked.
It happens to everyone. Let's take it step by step.
I already clicked many times. Maybe that made it worse.
It is okay. First, stop clicking for a moment.
Done.
Now press these keys together and open the task menu.
Like this?
Yes. I can see the writing program is not responding.
Is that serious?
No. We can close it and open it again.
Will I lose everything?
Maybe only the last few lines. But let's check.
Okay, please do it. I trust you.
I closed the program. Now I will open it again.
There is a message on the screen.
Good. It says there is a recovered file.
Really? That is a relief.
Click here to open it.
Great. Most of my report is still here.
Save it now with the new name.
I will. Report Monday, version 2.
Good. Also, restart the computer after you finish.
I will. Thank you for helping me.
anytime and save your work often.
Lesson learned. I will save every few minutes now.
Finding the city zoo.
Excuse me. Are you visiting this city too?
Yes, I am. Why do you ask?
I am trying to find the city zoo, but I think I am lost.
That's funny. I am looking for the zoo too.
Really? Then maybe we are lost together.
Maybe. Let me check my map.
My map says it is close, but the streets look different.
Mine says we should walk straight and turn left after the museum.
I see the museum sign over there.
Great. Then we are not far.
I was about to turn right, so you saved me.
I almost did the same thing 5 minutes ago.
This city is beautiful, but the streets are confusing.
Yes, many small streets have similar names.
Do you want to walk there together?
Sure, it is easier with company.
How long are you staying here?
Just 3 days. I want to see the zoo, the old bridge, and the market.
I have almost the same list.
Nice. Maybe the zoo is a good first stop.
Agreed. I heard the zoo has a big garden and a small train.
That sounds fun. Beginners like us need simple signs.
True, I hope the zoo map is clearer than the street map.
Look, there is the museum. Now we turn left.
Perfect. I can see a sign that says zoo entrance.
We made it.
Thanks for checking the map with me.
Thank you too. Walking with someone feels safer.
After the zoo, maybe I will visit the market.
Same here. Let's see how much energy we have.
Good plan. First, the zoo.
Buying a birthday gift.
Hello, I need a birthday gift for a 10-year-old boy.
Sure, what does he like?
He likes cars, puzzles, and building things.
Then a building set could be a great gift.
I want something fun, but not too expensive.
I understand. What is your budget?
Around $40.
Good. This car building set is $39.
It looks nice. Is it too difficult?
It says ages 8 to 12, so it should be okay.
How many pieces does it have?
About 300 pieces.
Not too easy and not too hard.
Exactly. After he builds it, he can pull it back and race it.
That is perfect. He loves toy cars.
Do you want a gift bag or wrapping paper?
A gift bag, please. I am terrible at wrapping.
No problem. We have blue, red, and green bags.
Blue is good. It matches the car.
Nice choice. Do you want to add a birthday card?
Yes, a simple card would be nice.
You can write a short message inside.
I will write, "Happy birthday and have fun building."
That sounds warm and simple.
Do you think he will need help from an adult?
Maybe for the first step, but then he can do most of it alone.
Good. His father likes building things too.
Then they can build it together.
Great. I will take this set, the blue bag, and the card.
Wonderful. Your total is $43.
Here is my card.
All set. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. I think this gift will make him smile.
I think so too. It is a simple gift, but it feels special.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.